What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular video, man. We on our way to go pick up the truck finally. It's been in there a couple days, but you guys just got the video yesterday. But you know, they said everything was covered by warranty, so we lucked up this time. They didn't tell me exactly what was wrong with it or what the issue was, so I'm waiting to see when we get there to see exactly the details on what happened and what was the issue and what all parts were changed. So we're headed up to the dealer right now, and I'll catch you guys there, man. I can't wait to hop in this thing. Alrighty, guys, we just now pulled back up, man. We got another Raptor pulling into service. That's unfortunate because they're about to be without their truck the whole weekend, man. So let's go down here to my guy Robert and see what's up with our truck now, shall we? Oh my God, they got a GT like 500 over there. Of course, we got to stand in the shortest, longest line ever. But they do got some classics in here, though. Alrighty, guys, we are out of here with everything pretty much free of charge. I'll get into the details with you guys in a sec. But man, they got this freaking GT 500. Oh my God, look at this thing. You never really get to see any of these in person, and this one is looking pretty sick. Dang, just look at the inside of that thing. It definitely looks beefy. It's got that supercharger on the back there. Big supercharger. Man, this thing is crazy. Look at the inside of that thing. It got like 3 buttons. I can dig it. The gas tank is in the front. That's a dope little car, man. I'm digging it. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. Ooh, and I think I see this thing coming up. Ooh, this thing looks sick. I believe this is the truck. Yes, it is. Oh my God, I've missed my truck. Especially when somebody else driving it, it looked like 10 times better. Just look at that thing back there, dog. Big, beefy commercial truck sliding through the terrace. You see what's going on. Ooh, he pull it in sick, though. Yeah, bring it on in, big dog. Bring it on in. Look at that jump. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Big Raptor gang. Oh, my God. Finally, we got this thing back. Everything is fixed. Ready to go. Thanks, man. Appreciate it, bro. Good looking out. Okay, we can just check it out real quick. Make sure they didn't crash. Should be all right. I don't see no damage or nothing, so we should be good to go. Should be good to go, dog. Ooh, I miss my baby. What are you talking about, bro? Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. Let me make sure my phone is still in here. And that's how you test them out. You put some electrical device in there, see if they take it or not. But we are good to go, man. Ooh, I cannot wait. I'm freaking sliding. Buddy boy, slide, baby. See what's going on, dog. Alrighty, we have pretty much made it out. Good to go, man. This thing is freaking beast. Oh my God. Alrighty, guys. Now, while that thing is gassing up back there, we can see that they did put a new axle and hub on that thing back there. I guess they didn't worry about the bottom part too much. But they did say they changed everything under there, along with the cam phasers and stuff. I'll get more into detail when we pull over and get to the crib. But, you know, just for the people who just can't wait. Made it back to the house. Now, if you guys remember, when we started this thing, it did sound like a clunk or whatever, so they fixed it. Let's see. Yeah, it's definitely not as loud now, but we gotta wait until the morning to really get that cold start and see, man. But I can't wait. I'm so happy to have my truck back. Oh my God. That Corvette didn't have nearly as much technology as this thing. The Corvette is, of course, faster, but it's 2020, man. If you haven't had anything fast by now, you don't need it. So It is what it is. Alrighty, guys, man, we finally made it back to the crib. We have here what actually got done, and so we'll flip that around and let you guys know what happened. Alrighty, guys, so here it is, man. They installed a wireless chassis ERS in different locations to pinpoint the noise, and of course it came from the right side. They found that the front right wheel had some play. They placed the vehicle on a lift and found the right axle shaft outer CV joint moving up and down in the hub. They removed the outer CV boot and found that the outer CV joint actually came apart. So they replaced the right front outer axle half shaft and hub bearing, road tested, and the noise was gone. So the 4-wheel drive is back on that. And then also I told them on a cold start, I get a clacking noise. This is commonly related to the bad chem phasers in these Gen 2 Raptors. However, this thing is still under warranty, of course. And these are all the stuff they replaced for that part, but we'll get into more detail here. Alrighty, so here is what they replaced for that cam phaser. They verified a loud engine rattle lasting a couple seconds from a cold start. They ran an OASIS and found TSB 20-2315 relating to customer concern. Removed timing cover and replaced all 4 VCT phasers. Replaced all necessary gasket seals and one-time parts as required. Reassembled the vehicle. They vacuum filled the cooling system, changed the oil and filter. They reprogrammed the PCM per TSB, whatever that means. Cleared the codes, retested it, performed the 7-mile repair road test. I guess it was okay, and you guys seen that in the video. Alrighty, next day here, let's see if we got that rattle or anything like that on the cold start. Nope, we're good to go. Good to go. That thing didn't do no clacking or nothing like it did before, so I guess it's fixed. It didn't rattle or nothing at the cold start, so that's a plus. And then of course we had warranty, so we literally had to pay nothing, which that was the main reason I got a brand new truck, or a new enough truck to where if something was to happen, I wouldn't have to be covered. I wouldn't have to come out of pocket like I did on that Vet when we first got it. Just a terrible buy. You live and you learn, make a lot of mistakes, but you learn a lot as well. So I will never buy a car without warranty again, but you know, it is what it is, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Probably gonna go get this thing cleaned up today as it's been in the shop. They requested to wash the car, but I was just like, nah, don't touch it. Just give it to me, fixed. I'll be good to go. I can wash it myself. So, you know, it is what it is. They offered to buy the car. I didn't want to sell it at all. I actually really, really love the truck. So that's that, man. They replaced the cam phasers, the hubs, the axles, everything, man. So I'm excited about that. Really good Ford service. It's actually my first Ford car. I've always had Chevy. So that was a really good first impression with the Ford, you know, whole brand and everything. Cause like even my Vet, like, you know, I just thought since I had the extended warranty, I was just gonna get shown love at the dealership. Totally didn't happen. Ford literally took care of me, didn't even call me. They was just like, yeah, man, it's already getting fixed. Everything is covered. I didn't even know they had started or looked at the car. So when I called, the car was literally done the next 2 hours. So we lucked out with that. So we'll see what happens, man. I won't be going off-roading in 4-wheel drive doing donuts again. That's definitely not the smart thing to do. But, you know, we live and we learn, man. I did have some fun cutting up. And, you know, it is what it is, man. So with that being said, if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm still getting the garage together. Still trying to find the desk, man. So stay tuned with your boy. Let's get this thing going.